Too many teams waste time chasing the wrong prospects. DataviCloud's ICP dashboard fixes that, so you only focus on customers who actually buy, grow, and stay. And when it's time to act on these insights, building your ICP is instant. Just select the columns that matter most, like industry, country, size, revenue, or source. Set your conditions. And watch your entire customer list narrow down to the perfect fit accounts that actually close. Start by defining your sweet spot. Filter by industry, country, company size, product, and ICP clusters. Then break them down with powerful segmentation. See how your ideal customers flow from first touch to final dollar with our ICP dynamics, so you know exactly where to spend your time, know exactly where to focus, and where your next big deal will come from by pinpointing the industries, geographies, and company sizes driving real revenue. Double down on what works. Know which channels truly bring ICPs, not just leads but actual ARR. Understand value and stickiness, which plans they choose, how long they stay, and where churn is hiding. Track how well your ICP focus converts. See closure trends, real revenue impact, and plan your pipeline with confidence. See which industries and company sizes close fast, and which ones drag you down. Send your best reps where speed pays. Selling into the wrong title wastes months. See exactly who signs off deals, and make sure your reps are always talking to the real decision makers. Conversion composite chart shows you exactly where to double down. As engagement and enrichment increase, conversion follows. Know which departments drive the fastest deals and route your best reps to them. Prioritize by cluster, from legacy modernizers to growth stars, so your campaigns hit exactly where your next win lives. Stop selling to everyone. Start selling to the right ones. DataviCloud's ICP dashboard, because precision beats spray and pray every time.